Activity book, page 38. Hoop and boop and boop and boop and boop. Bop, bow. Oh yeah, I forgot to write. Activity a book. Activity book, page 38. Ookie dookie. Read the sentences. Number the pictures in order. The flies bite Kathy. Little horse and Kathy jump in the mud. The young cows laugh at Kathy. And Kathy is black and white. The flies don't bite her. All right, so what happens first? Oh, I see. The flies bite Kathy is the first thing. Bite. What's next? I think she jumps in the mud next because here she has mud on her body and here she has mud on her body. So I think number 2 is, the little horse and Kathy jump in the mud. Number 3, the young cows laugh at Kathy. 年轻的 cows 笑她. Oh, and how does Kathy feel? She feels sad. What's next? Kathy is black and white. The flies don't bite her. Number 4. Boopity bee. Ooh, this cow is sad. She got bit. Read and write, then write and draw. Read and write, then write and draw. 读和写，然后写，还有画. Kathy is scared of... Kathy怕 what? Horses, flies, spiders, or mud? Well, what do you think? I think Kathy is scared of flies. She might be scared of spiders too. But we don't know for sure. We do know she's scared of bad flies. I am scared of... Okay, I am scared of... not flies. I am scared of spiders. I'm going to draw a scary picture. A scary picture of me and some spiders. Oh my gosh. I am scared of spiders. This is a scary spider. He's gonna get me. Oh no. Oh my gosh, this is literally so scary that I'm literally like scared. The spider is getting AJ. Oh my gosh, AJ. That's me. No, don't get me. No. I am scared of spiders. What are you scared of? Oh, I'm in his web. I forgot to draw the web. This is a spider web. I'm in the web. Stuck in the web. Oh my gizmos. All right, let's go to the next page. Look and read. Write yes or no. Okay. Let's look. Let's read. Let's write yes or no. First, you look. You read. You write yes or no. 自己做，然后回来我们一起做. Number 1. There are 14 animals. Okay, well, how many animals are there? I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So many. Actually, I think there are 32 animals. I'm not 100% sure, but I think there are 32. Count them. Tell me in the group if 32 is right or wrong. All right, there are 14 animals. Nope. The animals are in a classroom. Where are the animals? Are they in a classroom? Are they in a school? No, they're not in a classroom. Classroom is a 课室. They are in a farm. They are on a farm, 才对. Kathy is a white cow. This is Kathy. Is she white? Yes, indeed. Yes. There are 4 sheep. Well, 1, a 2, a 3. Nope, just 3 sheep. There are not 4 sheep. There are 3 sheep. There are 4 cows. A 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Yes, there are 4 cows. The horses are smiling. Is this a smile? No, this is a smile. Are the horses smiling? Yeah, yeah, they are. The answer is yes, they are smiling. Kathy's mom is looking at Kathy. Looking means 看. 她是不是在看 Kathy? Well, let's see. Nope. Kathy's mom is looking at a fly. Just kidding. 其实有可能是，但是 it looks like Kathy's mom is looking at Kathy. Yeah, so yes. Ba-dum, boom, boom, boom. Boobity-doo, we're done with 39. How about you? Let's go to 40. Oh, do 40. A boop, boop, and boo, boo. Look at the pictures. Look at the letters. Write the words. Look at the pictures. Look at the letters. Write the words. Stop the video. Do it yourself. Come back. Nick Kahek. Nick Kahek. I think this is more like a chicken. All right. Spider. Disper. Nope. Ogd. Oh, look at this cute ogd. Dog. Look at this cute ephasy. Sheep. Look at this cute Kudk. Duck. That was easy. Play the game. Okay. All right. I am going to play this game with him. I'm upside down AJ. 我是反过来的 AJ. I don't like you. You. Hey, I want to beat you at this game. I will win. No, I will win. Oh. All right, let's see who wins. Now, who will win? Who will win? Let's see who will win. Hoo ha hoo ha hoo 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 hoo. Dee-doo. 1. Oh, man. Come on, man. Oh, by the way, what do we have to do? Roll the dice and move your counter. 筛这个骰子，然后 move. Then look at the picture and read the word. Say a sentence. 看图片，读这个单词，然后说一个主词. All right, let's see who wins. All right. I am regular AJ. So I am going to move here. 1. Okay. Long. Okay. 现在我要说一个句子. Long. This is a spider with long legs. This spider has got long legs. Yay! Your turn. Okay, my turn. Let's roll. 5. Okay, 5. I'm already beating the other AJ. I'm gonna be green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Small. This sheep is small. This is a small, happy, white sheep. Oh yeah, your turn. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna win. Roll the dice. Beep. 2. 1, 2. This is a happy cat. The happy cat has got orange fur. Has got an orange coat. Your turn. Okay, my turn. 5 again. I'm winning. I'm the best. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Interesting. This looks like a long ruler. I have got a long ruler in my school bag. My turn. 2. Come on. 1, 2. Why do I keep getting a small number? Small. Why do I keep getting a small number? 为什么我一直有一个小的数字? I don't know, but I keep getting a big number. Are you ready for a big one? 4. That's pretty big. All right. Let's see. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Short. All right, short. 一个句子. Can you think of a sentence for short? 你可不可以想起一个用 short 在里面的句子? Think of a sentence for short. A other AJ, you are short. 另外一个 AJ, 你是 short 的. Hey, I'm not short. I'm not short at all. My hair is short. Okay, let's roll. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, 6 is a big number. 6是一个大的数字. I'm coming back, other AJ. I'm gonna get you. That's not true. I'm gonna get you. 6. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Big, big. This is a donkey that has got a big mouth. This donkey has got a big mouth. Coming back. I am sad because I got a small number. This man is old. This grandpa is old. Here we go. 5, another big number. Oh, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This cat is so nice. This is a nice cat. Oh no! The cat farted. 他放屁了. The cat farted. I am not happy now. Wah, wah, wah. This cat is not nice. Next. 6. Now that's what we're talking about. And a 1. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Long. This horse has got a long tail. Your turn. Roll it, roll it, roll it for a 5. I'm feeling alive. I think I might win. I got a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finish. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey, no, I'm sad, I'm angry, I'm happy, angry, happy, angry, happy. Okay. Upside down AJ wins. I'm gonna say that's probably the end of this lesson. I will see you. Actually, should we do some review? No. See you next time. Bye.